Here's another unboxing. I think these are accessories for my iPad pencil and for my bags. I think it was like a shop that sells everything for iPhones and iPads and watches, and also random twillies for your bags. So I kind of, oh look at that, I kind of bought some random stuff for my gadgets and my bags. Oh, and for masks. So as you can see, these are the twillies for my bags. Come wrapped in plastic. I bought only 2 pairs. Let me show you. See? Came in a bag like that. So I bought a rose gold one. So if I keep looking up, it's because the camera is up there, and I also have you in front of me. So if you can see, it looks like this. It's pretty. It's rose gold, because I have a pink bag that I want to use this for. The handles, both of the handles, so that it doesn't tarnish or stain. And I also bought a hot pink. Like this. You can see the graphic. I mean, you can see the design. This. And each come in 2. So, yeah, that's one thing I bought. And I bought also what do you call this? A silicone pen for my Apple Pencil. Let's take it out. Feels nice. It's purple, as usual, my favorite color. Let's put this away. Box on the side, put that aside. Now, I'm currently using the iPad and the phone to record this video, so here's my Apple Pencil. This one. So let's see if it's easy to put in, because when I watch those videos, oh, it's pretty easy. When I watch those videos of unboxing, it's quite difficult to push it in. Like, yeah, this is kind of difficult, but it is getting in. Is that it? That's it. It comes with the cap. So that's how Apple Pencil is now looking like. And I guess you can put some charms on this end here because it has like a loop. Can it go a little bit more? Yes. Okay. It's very snug. It goes on easily. This was just 25,000 rupiah. Or was it 35? I'll put the correct price on the screen. Oh, and by the way, the Twillies, each individual ones, they're about 9,000. So if you buy two, it's twice as much. So 9,000 times 2. And I bought 4. Okay. I do also have a tip for the Apple Pencil. This teeny tiny tip. You can only see, I don't know if you can see it. Teeny tiny tip. Right there. Because my iPad doesn't have a paper feel. It's just a tempered glass. So I don't want to use, what do you call it? I heard in some of the videos that Paperlike can actually make the tip of your pencils like it can damage the tip of the pencil. So I don't want to use Paperlike because it kind of feels like sandpaper after a while. Well, I mean for your pencil. So if it's tempered glass and then if I use this, I'm not sure. I don't know if it'll work or not. But if I use a rubber tip on a tempered glass, I'm sure it's gonna make the strokes easier and smoother, because I upgraded from a Samsung Galaxy Tab with an S Pen with a rubber tip pen, but a lot smaller than this one obviously, and I actually kind of like the way it strokes on rubber on tempered glass rather than using a Paperlike and then destroying my pencil. I don't know if it makes sense. I don't know if I'm making sense. Either way, this is how I prefer my pencil to be. Wait, if I put the top on with the... Took it off. Now it's stuck. Great. How am I gonna... No! Okay. The thing got stuck in there. Can you see it? It's stuck in there. Okay, note to self, do not use the cap. Just use the tip. Okay, does this come off easily? Okay, I'm just gonna use this. I'm not gonna use the cap. I'll put the cap in there so I don't lose it. That's one item. I mean, no. Item number 1, 2, 3 and 4 from the tip. And then I also bought these. These are for mask. To hold your mask so you don't lose them. Because the purpose of wearing the mask is you don't put it anywhere in the bag, or if you just untie one ear and then it's dangling from the other ear, if you're moving a lot it kind of falls. So that's why I bought this, just to secure the mask always on my neck. And I bought the pink. I should have another one. Pink and purple I bought 3 mask necklace. Oh, I don't know what you call them. What do you call them? I have also in the pearl kind of bougie, very rich looking. Oh, here's the purple one. Here's the purple one. Okay. So I bought pink, purple, and then pearlescent. Ooh, so pretty. Oh my god, so beautiful. Look at that. It's really pretty if I put it on my neck. It looks like I'm wearing a necklace already. So for occasions when I don't know, I go to a party, kondangan sih sebenarnya, bukan party. What I mean by kondangan is a wedding. In Indonesian, it's kondangan. Because most of my dresses for wedding parties are in this kind of shade, pink purplish. So it will match my dresses perfectly. Okay, and what's next in my box? Oh, tempered glass. Because the iPhone that I'm using right now, the glass kind of shattered on the sides, so, and it kind of hurts my fingers if I kind of graze it a little bit. It's like broken glass. It's not fun at all. It comes with the stickers for applying and the wipies, and that's it. And it looks like this. So it's actually almost the same one that I'm using right now with the black rim and a very close microphone. So this is what the current one is looking like. Hopefully this one lasts longer. I just bought this like a month ago. Yeah, a month ago, and it's already shattered on the edges, like here, and then all through here. Anyways, so that's my purchase. This with a cap and all this fun stuff, fun girly stuff. Okay, that's all. Hope you enjoyed.